What time is it? It's science time!
The Slinky was accidentally invented by mechanical engineer Richard James in 1943. Mr. C has extended a Slinky and is going to release it. Make a prediction on how the Slinky will fall. Will the top and bottom fall at the same time? Will one fall before the other? Will the bottom shoot upwards? Let's give it a try. 3, 2, 1. Did you expect that to happen? Gravity is exerting a downward force on the Slinky, and Mr. C's hand is applying an equal upward force to hold it in place. Once he lets go of the top ring, that ring begins to fall. The rest of the lower rings remain suspended. The lower rings don't know that Mr. C let go until the ring above them begins to fall. Eventually, the last ring gets the signal that there is no longer any upward force and the whole thing comes crashing to the ground.
Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.